How to place an order on Temu. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna learn how to place an order on Temu app within some steps. So without any further delay, let's get started with it. So open your Temu app and make sure you are logged in into your Temu account. After that, you see a home page. Just scroll down a bit to the item that you're interested in. Let's say I am interested in this phone. So what you need to do is just tap on add to cart and select the item. I'm gonna choose the color, that color, and you may also select the quantity. After that, tap on add to cart, and then go to free shipping. And you can see the free shipping option, and if you want to cancel the order, just tap on this right icon and it will be deselected and removed from your cart. But since we're purchasing this item, what you can do is check out. After that, if you have verified account, you need to use a payment method of your credit card, debit card, whatever you have. Just enter the payment details and you're good to go. After that, you have successfully placed an order on Temu very easily. So just follow the steps and you can purchase an item from Temu. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.